Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika I will share my video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share. No one me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be a better one once I beka. The you say be pepper rice. Be we na me taste it tastes really nice. Yes, that's it. All the oil be good sauce by a si jasum. A drop pen out do chop onion egum. Watch mo kakra. We are nowadays salted beef and so the account and also Achomo. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. When you are ebe you soon walk over the sea in Cheng. We are now beef ni onion nachi now de chop pepper, we a hot one with the gum. And I will see a green one. Chop ginger, chop tomatoes. One mixing it together and we just is kakra. And watch kakra we no. Now there was salt, Achomo, garlic powder, curry powder, season cube. Watch mo kakra. And sana now there was smoked mackerel then Achomo. I am ready now the rice now home sinchen where she one mixing it together. We are not just so I may move kakra and send it in Sweden egum. Watch mo kakra pe now the in Sweden egum. And so and say we soon may breathe. Wakata so no way just is supposed to my baby. But ten be our one no one no said they are say the enche. Na ejano so wallow no so. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Ahano akakra na aye ready. Me puma just steady can I'll share my video. Me ma rave subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say them the video bia beto one side then. Ebeka. Ahano aye ready. Now I serve it. Me na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our pepper rice recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.